This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Today let's take a look at the gold market. Well guys, looks like that all markets across the board stand on hold before the FOMC meeting, and in fact right now we have some sort of the deadly combination for any market volatility is the end of financial year, and the FOMC meeting ahead is just to dry the volatility on the markets. Investors stand cautious on the possible decision of the Fed Reserve, and actually if you take a look at the recent CFTC data of the open interest on the gold market, and you'll see the big contraction of the open interest with the closing with the reducing the net long position on the gold market. This tells that investors in fact just contract the positions and do not take any new positions right now. They just close the existing contracts on the futures market. And recent data of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange tells that the trading volume on the present week was the 40% lower than the average 30 days average trading volume. So it means that investors just stay on hold on the possible decision on the FOMC. On the technical point of view, you see in fact the same. So within the previous 2-3 weeks, market just stand in the wide range. As market has accomplished on the previous week, our tactical trading plan, we said that as market has held about the monthly pivot point, it could jump up, show some minor retracement just to retest the broken lows, because this is very typical for the gold market. That has happened, but this action to the upside, as you understand, can't impact on the strategically on the overall situation in the gold market. That's just a tactical motion that based on the market mechanics and nothing more. So this is in fact absolutely this action absolutely doesn't have any value on the higher time scale. And in fact this could be just could treat it as the occasional coil around some range on the market. So now you see that within the 3 weeks market stands in the tight range, and price action is very nervous. So take a look, bounce up on the next day was cancelled, again bounce up, cancelled on the next day, fast plunge down, here fast recovery, and this action on the next day also was cancelled. Now take a look on the previous week, upward action with the failure breakout out of this range, hitting the resistance, and right on the end of the previous week market again has cancelled this because that was failure breakout above this area, returns right back to the lower border of this consolidation. So all that we could see here is that market stands in the tight range, and sooner or later this action should be finished. And I suspect that probably that's obvious that market will show some breakout on the Wednesday on the FOMC speech, the Fed Reserve meeting. And at the same time we could make one valuable observation is that I suspect that market should at least show the spike to the 1180 area, to the lows on the daily time frame chart, to this area, because currently market holds below the 618 target of this ABCD pattern and above the 100% extension target, above the completing point of ABCD pattern. When market stands in such area, it very rare turns to the upside when it has passed already below the minor target and hasn't hit the major target. It's very rare happens when the market just abandons the major target and turns to the opposite direction. I suspect that on on the FOMC meeting, if even market intends to continue move to the upside, it should show at minimum the spike down on the growing volatility on the FOMC speech and take out the stops right below these lows and simultaneously complete this ABCD pattern. At least market will show the fake spike to the downside, and only after that, if our situation will be really bullish for the gold market, market will show the move to the upside. That is the major concern that's about this ABCD pattern. At maximum, conversely, if the situation will be really bearish, market definitely will continue move down, complete this ABCD pattern, and grab the stops below these areas, because gold market will be jiggered if it will not do this, because this is really typical for the gold market. It's a habit for the market to grab stops around the extreme points and shows the fake spikes and different such sort of pitfalls and traps. That's very typical for the gold market. That's why I expect to see this. If even market will be, in fact, will turn bullish and turn to the upside with some more extended retracement to the upside, that's also possible. But market should complete this area. That's the major risk if you intend to take the long position on the gold market. But to be honest, guys, currently the gold market is very unattractive. Such kind of the choppy price action is not attractive for me, and I never trade such patterns where we see no interaction. Also, guys, to take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see even better this already choppy and sloppy price action when the new action cancels the previous action and so on. Well, it's very difficult to find any reasonable pattern in such mess, so that's why market stands nervous and indecision. It's not attractive for trading, at least for me. That's why I suspect that major direction and some more clear situation we will get only after the FOMC meeting on the breakout. If market will hold below these lows on the daily time frame chart, below the 1180s, in this case we could get some deeper move to the 11 even area. So this will mean that we will get the position with the motion with the butterfly buy that is forming on the weekly time frame chart. Well, that's could be really promising situation if it will happen. But right now, before the FOMC speech, before the FOMC meeting, probably I will not take any position on the gold market and just will wait what will happen. So, because it's really not very attractive to do anything when you see such sort of the price action. So unfortunately, guys, I can't make you happy with any clear setups or really potentially profitable pattern. All that we could get within these 2 weeks is just to trade gold to the upside. That was our trade on the beginning of the previous week, but right now, in fact, I did not see any interesting setups by far. So let's see what will happen. I hope that we still will get our chance when the FOMC meeting will happen.